See, should come off now. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Behind me is my 1972 Buick LeSabre. We're gonna take the chrome trim around the convertible top off. I didn't see nobody cover this on YouTube, so this gonna be a quick video because it is super hot out here. I want to turn my fan back on and turn my music back on, so I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. But the tool I'm using is a Mac tool, and then you put your little extension in there because there's two hidden screws. On this side, about 6 inches from the window, and then on the other side. So I open the trunk, you can't get to nothing in the trunk. You gotta let your top up a little bit and get this back part to come down. And yeah, you'll get to it. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we got that out the way. I'm trying to see where I can show y'all one. This side has got a little more space. That screw is right there. I already loosened this one up so the video wouldn't take long. So now it's loose enough for me to take it out with my hand. And there it is. And hopefully that's all that's holding it. Like I said, I opened the trunk. I didn't see any other screws in there. And then yeah, we'll work with it and see. I gotta get my little pry tools, because I mean, it's probably ain't never been off of there. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all don't know, but I'm trying to paint this thing, so I want to take everything off, and I'll show y'all on the other side again. Get over here real quick. So I already started sanding. If y'all want to watch that video, it's probably 2 videos past this one. I can't remember, but yeah, y'all can go see it. Side, I got it halfway loose. Lighten up, camera. So I need to go ahead and pull this one out. I'm gonna do that off camera. When I get it handy, I'll turn y'all back on. But yeah, y'all see right here, forgot to show y'all, I can't get to that paint under there, so it needs to be removed. Okay, I got the screw out of this one. It's super hot out here, so we gotta make this quick. Somebody put a different size in this side, but that's gonna happen. I got a little rubber hammer and plastic hammer just in case. I don't think I'm gonna need my pry tools. I don't know yet, we'll find out. But there it goes. Put that down. Don't want to mess it up. Another screw. Alright, it's holding pretty tight right there, guys. I might have to get something up under there. Let me show y'all, because it's like little clamps. Well, not clamps. Y'all see that rail? But it's holding back there pretty good. This little edge. So let me see. I might have to put like a pick in there or something to get that one past right here. I wish I could show y'all under there. Let's see. Y'all probably can't see it. Alright, let me see if I can pop that off.
What you doing? Ha ha ha!
That's another screw right here. So we doing this together, we learning it together. I'll probably, let me spray some penetrating oil on there. That's what I did on the other ones. I don't want to strip it. Dang, it's kind of hard to spray it. Let's spray it from over here, guys, and then y'all can probably see it. Alright guys, it's right there. It's another one right there. Let's see if I can. Y'all see it right there? So I'm gonna try to get that one out. Well, Well guys, bad news. This one right here stripped out on me. I heated it up. I put WD-40 on it. I did everything I could. So now I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. I might cut it off of there. I don't know yet. I might use a little die grinder or something so we can get that thing out.
5 hours later.
That was not fun at all, guys. Actually, I took a break. It's 104 out here. But eventually what I did, I found my die grinder with the 90, and I sanded it off of there, and hopefully it'll come out now. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yep, hopefully I'll get it off now. And I really just need this side off, and the same concept goes for the other side. So now we'll just pop this up again like we had it, like that. No screw holding it, and then right here it should split. I only got one hand, guys, though. Still trying to hold it a little bit. What I did, I'll have to do it again because it popped back on there. I had my flathead screwdriver, adjust flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and I knocked her on off of there. So I'm gonna have to, where are we at? Yep, I'm gonna have to get that flathead in there again so I can pop it out. Guys, this thing does not want to come off. It does not want to come off. Let me see now. I mean, it's still like hung up. Hung up right there. There we go. There it goes. We got it. Alright, and then that piece slides off. So we got it off, as y'all can see. And now we'll be able to clean up this edge right here. Thank you, Waddy. Appreciate it. We'll clean up this edge. Y'all see how to take it off. I'm not taking that other side off yet because I really wanted access to this fender. I just wanted to help somebody that needed help taking off that molding. I didn't show y'all either. I didn't really damage the molding or nothing. So I got that die grinder on there just right and got her out of there. So, and there you go. So we're gonna clean all this up. We're gonna do the whole quarter panel, sorry. And yeah, y'all tune in for the next video. I'll put some videos up here in the screen somewhere so y'all can watch next. We'll see y'all on the next round. Peace.